Did I lie? Hello, Haley here, and I think I did. Accidentally. Okay, see, this is a high temperature map, which we've learned we don't care about because it's not the heat, it's the humidity. So true. This. So I was looking at the map, I selected random samplings, and it looked like the excessive heat warnings were going to all expire. And a whole bunch of them did, because it stretched all the way over there, but we still got Kansas, Missouri, and Oklahoma are still in the hot zone with the excessive heat warnings, and yuck, because I think they've been in it since the very beginning. So that means what? I don't even remember, it's been so long. That was like Monday or something that started. So they're having like a continuous week of hellfire. So the atmosphere sucks. And what's up with this? Tiny little area of excessive heat in Hill City. What's even there? See, you do tend to see stuff like this, let me go back out, the isolated, that's the word, isolated stuff when it's like in an urban area. But what's in Oberlin or Hill City? Is they have an urban area there? I don't understand. This stuff over here is also heat related. It's hot and dry. It's a red flag warning. That's where fires can set themselves. Also a red flag warning there. So, not good. And of course, here's all flood stuff. I don't know, is that a flash flood watch or flash flood warning? Or is it a hydrologic outlook? See, the like 3 shades of green that are like the same frickin' color, man. Sheesh. Anyway, moving on. See, oh, that's tomorrow. There. Look, a cold front. A cold front, but we don't call it that in the summer. It's called the slightly less oppressive heat front. That's what I like to call it. And of course it's going to rain in some places and not rain at all in other places like Texas. That's right. And here's the flood. Hey, 63 locations in flood, which I think the first time I ever looked at it, it was like 90 something. Does that mean the flooding's getting better? I have no idea. I'd have to actually read a paper or something. Here is today's severe weather outlook. Yes, we've got some chance of winds and hails and tornadoes and a chance of a foot-looking object. Yes, in South Dakota. So this is slight risk, and then we take a look at the individual probabilities. This is probability of severe wind, that'd be 58 miles per hour greater. So as you can see, as high as 15%. And then over here, 5% chance for quite a few eastern states. Here's the hail probabilities up here in Pennsylvania, New York, and what is that? V for Vermont. See, that's kind of a V, so that makes that one New Hampshire, right? I don't know. And then there's the slight risk error over there. And then 2% chance of a tornado within this area. Yeppers. Here's tomorrow's outlook. It moves slightly eastward, right? North Dakota, South Dakota, Nebraska, Minnesota, and Iowa. And then 30% chance. And at 45, it becomes a moderate risk. So is it possible that when tomorrow becomes today, that we might have a moderate risk on our hands again? I don't know, but here you go. The center, this is any severe weather probabilities, 30% chance, and then 5% chance for a whole bunch of southern states. What's up with that? And then Dora, the explorer, has finally bid us adieu, if that is the appropriate French word, if that is French at all. Dora hat gesagt, auf Wiedersehen. Well, actually, auf Wiedersehen would literally be again seen, and Dora's not coming back, so Dora is tot. Let's forget about Dora. Right, and then we have the non-news, right? Near 0% chance. Disorganized showers, we say. Oh, whatever. Who cares about that, right? 0% chance. Why even put that on the map? So, severe weather. It's everywhere. But, we focus on the United States and stuff. It's Wicked Wix is where you want to hang out, right? WICKEDWX.com. You stop on by, you hang out, grab a lemonade. The site does not provide lemonades. You'll have to bring your own beverage. And yeah, take it easy.